quick remind you guys what a number bond is, because we kind of touched base on what a number bond is when you were in kindergarten, and then we all got sent home. So I'm going to go over it again for you because your assignment in math today is going to be number bonds. So remember, a number bond is just us breaking apart a number into two parts. We have one full number, we're gonna break it into two parts, okay? So your number bond, first of all, it can look any type of way, okay? It can be circles, it can be squares. I'm gonna use squares today because that's what you're gonna see on your assignment, okay? And I'm gonna start with a number bond that looks like this. Oh, I haven't written on a whiteboard in a while. Okay, so does this kind of look familiar? So this is called a number bond, okay? We're gonna write a number in this box that's gonna be the whole number, and then we're going to practice breaking it apart into two parts, okay? So I am going to just give you an example, and the example that I'm gonna give you is going to kind of look, it's going to look a lot like what your assignment is going to be today, okay? So let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots here, and 2 dots here, okay? So what we're going to do is up top, I'm going to count these dots. 1, and actually I'm going to use some different colors so that way you guys can see what I'm talking about here. Okay, so I'm going to count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go ahead and write the number 5. Do you understand why I did that? I wrote 5 because there's 5 dots, okay? I'm going to come down here and I'm going to count these dots. 1, 2. I'm going to write the number 2. Oh, that's supposed to be blue. So I wrote a 2 because I have 2 dots. Now I want to figure out what is my whole number, okay? So it's kind of like your application problem that you did today. So if I have 5 dots here and 2 dots here, how many do I have altogether? Well, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So your whole number is going to be, oops, I'm going to use black. Your whole number is going to be 7. So that would be your number bond. And then if you were reading your number bond to somebody, you could say 5 and 2 make 7. Okay, do you see how I did that? 5 and 2 makes 7. Okay, so this is your assignment today. You're going to have a lot of problems that look like this, where you're going to count the dots on top, write that number in, count the dots on bottom, write that number in, and then find the whole number, okay? So just do your best on this assignment, and we will see how you do, and then we'll go from there, okay?